Before we start this video, subscribe to my channel, give a like, and click the bell for more updates. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be doing all the Flip-o-ramas in Dogman Brawl of the Wild by Dave Pilkey. Okay, here's the first Flip-o-rama. When Chief gets a special letter from Yoli Caprice, and then Dogman takes a bite out of it. Then here's another one. This is when Dogman keeps eating too much clay, and then he throws it out, like throws up. Okay, here's the first one. Yeah, I can't do this one much because it's ripped. So you can see how much he's throwing up. Alright, here's the next one. When Booger Breath gets beaten up by Yoli Caprice to get answers. Okay, here it is. Okay, the next one takes part when the fleas are getting beaten up by Yoli Caprice and Sarah Hadoff during the movie scene, as you can see. And then this last one, wait, I think it's the last one. Oh wait, I actually forgot to show this one. Alright, here it is. This is during when ADHD is showing the book how, like, it's basically a plan to rescue Dogman. Okay, now let's go back to the last one. Alright, here it is. This is when Dogman ate the ginormous filly made out of clay, and then starts to hurl/throw up. And then he throws up all over the building so the fire can calm down. But he also does it on the top of all the people that's there. Only Sarah Hadoff has an umbrella. That's the end of all the Flip-o-ramas of Dogman Brawl of the Wild. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!